Hello everyone, welcome to our Timeless Oracle reading. Our Oracle card for today belongs to the Intuitive Life Coaching Oracle by Kelly T. Smith. The card for today is entitled Visionary. All of us can see a certain part or a certain piece of the big puzzle, which is life. Now, some of us see the puzzle pieces going into unison with each other, and we get to see a bigger picture. Now, some people see small pieces of the big picture, but others see a bigger portion of it. These are what they call visionaries. They are able to see more than the majority does. They are able to see possibilities which others still fail to see at the present moment. So the visionaries are gifts of the divine to the universe. But the visionary should always remember that they are just the torch bearer. They don't have to do it all alone. They don't have to take things or to face the bull by the horns. They are called to inspire people to see what they see. It's like the visionary is asked by the Spirit to light a candle and go around the world sharing that candle to other people so that they too can light their candle. The picture that comes to me right now is that of a lion in a field of dry grasses. And the Spirit lights the tail of the lion and sets it on fire. The lion gets surprised and starts running around the field and spreads the fire to the dry weeds or dry grasses. And sooner or later, the whole field is on fire. It's the same with the visionary. The visionary doesn't have to do it alone. They might start or begin with the idea alone, but the important thing is to take one step at a time and to always remember to inspire others, to set them on fire. Because this inspiration or this insight that the universe has given you is not just for you, it is for the whole universe. And it means that for it to realize itself, it needs the help of every member of the universe. It might not be all of them, but in a certain sense, the main characters need to be set afire. Now, the other ones, the spectators, are also needed because they need to cheer up those who are in the stage, those who are in the forefront of the project. But the visionary doesn't have to do it alone. They might feel alone at the start, but sooner or later, other hearts will be set on fire, and it will become something like a wildfire, like a lion setting a dry field on fire. Now, the important thing also to remember is that this inspiration, whatever it is not yours. It came from the Spirit. We are just the megaphone. We are just the speaker. We are just the conduit of the message of the universe. Through us, the fire is set in the hearts of people. So in a certain sense, if accolades and appreciation comes towards us, we need to remind ourselves that we are just the instrument, and all the praises should go to the Spirit, the source from which all these things came from. Now, it's important for us to have that kind of point of view in order to protect ourselves also from losing the way. When we maintain that humility of knowing that we are just instruments, the chances of losing our way is lesser. And besides, when you are able to humbly redirect all the praises and accolades to the divine, there is greater peace, greater sense of fulfillment, greater joy that in spite of our weakness, the Spirit has chosen to make us as its instrument. So, as a visionary, always remember you are just the one who's holding the candle, and you don't have to bring light to the whole world alone. Set other hearts on fire. It's faster that way, and sooner or later, the whole dry field will be ablaze. Just imagine if there is not just one lion who's setting the field on fire, but a handful of lions. The work will be easier and it will be achieved faster. Now let's try to read from the handbook that accompanies this card so that maybe we can gain more insights regarding visionary. You are learning to synthesize all of your creative ideas into action. You are a visionary, and what would the world do without visionaries? You are truly plugged into the infinite source of all things creative and grand. You get original, inspiring ideas that practically come out of nowhere. Your imagination influences others, and they look to you for guidance and creative motivation. When you dream big. There is no such thing as small potatoes as far as you are concerned. However, in order for you to bring your visions into reality, you have to learn to start small and expand as time goes on. One of the tendencies of visionaries is that they sometimes put the cart before the horse. Be open to feedback in regard to breaking down your vision into small and tangible action steps. Begin to synthesize all your creative ideas into action. Remember that process follows inspiration, that single steps make the journey. Before the invention of the cell phone, there was a landline with a cord a mile long, followed by the cordless phone, and then the cell phone was born. Be prepared to start small and expand even bigger. And as you do, you will pave the way for your visions to be born too. Intuitive life coaching questions. What is your current vision for your life? What is the reality you aspire to or dream of? How can you break down your dream into tangible, actionable steps? Well, that's it for today. For those who are inspired right now with a vision, well, don't hesitate. Set the world on fire. Thank you for the likes and comments you've given to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. I hope to see you again soon. Until that time, may God continue to bless your ways.